Is everything all right, Mookie?
No.
Care to elaborate?
I don't want to ruin what we have.
Why does it sound like you're about to tell me you're married to a Klaus Jürgen who's grilling sausages for you as we speak?
I'm not joking.
About Klaus Jürgen?
Stop it.
So talk.
I can't.
Why?
I didn't mean to propose the day I arrived. There, I said it. I wanted to, God, it sounds so stupid, mark my territory, so I thought it's a great timing for giving you the perfume I got you as a present, and then the ring fell out, and you thought...
But...
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You didn't want to propose.
No. I mean, I did not want to propose. It hadn't even occurred to me. I love you more than I ever thought is humanly possible.
But you don't want to marry me. So why didn't you tell me right there and then? It's a misunderstanding.
Because you were so happy.
Yes.
And I was so happy.
I really was. I am.
But it is so fast and we don't really know each other and maybe we don't even fit.
I know we shouldn't fit, but we do. Somehow.
Isn't this... Are you sure you...
Can you shut up and see if it fits?
Shut up?
Almost as romantic as Scheiße. See? Shouldn't fit. But somehow it does. I don't need 300 guests on the beach. I just need you. Will you marry me? I just really need to hear you say it this time.
Yes. I want to marry you.
And I'm going to need an authorized copy of this declaration.
קחי. תני את זה לגרמניה שלך, לפני שכל הטוב הזה בורח לך.
סבתוש, אל תתני לכל הטוב הזה לברוח גם לך.
Diese biblische Schönheit kann man sonst nirgends auf der Welt finden. Ist einfach magisch.
Komm, jetzt verschon mich. Ich kann die grüne Linie einfach wirklich nicht überqueren. Schau doch mal hin. Hans, halt an, wirklich, halt an, Hans. Ich kann es einfach nicht. Es tut mir wirklich leid, aber ich kann es einfach nicht. Ich kann es nicht. Hast du das gesehen? Die haben getrennte Grenzübergänge für Israelis und Palästinenser.
Schluss jetzt! Mein Bein ist gebrochen, also werdet ihr mich zu Shira bringen. Danach könnt ihr eure eigenen Entscheidungen für euer eigenes Leben treffen und ich meine, auch wenn sie euch nicht passen.
Genau. Für die Liebe. Schatz, aber...
So sorry, I shouldn't have run away.
No, I'm sorry. God, I love you, Mookie, so much. You and me. That's the only thing that matters.
You don't understand it. My mother's parents were Nazis.
You Germans sure know how to kill a romantic moment.
Das haben wir gut gemacht mit ihr.